Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be learning the new concept or new functional interface called Supplier. Supplier is the one of the functional interfaces provided by the Oracle. Supplier doesn't take any arguments, but it will produces a value or produces an object when we are calling the get function. So when we are calling the get function, it will produces a value of a type T. Here T represents any object or any value. Okay, so we are using this supplier interface for the objects. So what if I want to work with the primitives? So primitives like integer, double, long, boolean. For these, we have a suppliers as well. So the Java Oracle people has provided the primitive supplier interfaces as well. So if you are working with the primitives, you have to use these primitive supplier interfaces. The primitive supplier interface also will be having an abstract method called get function. So for example, if I am working with, for example, if you see this one int supplier, the int supplier will be having a get as int function, which will be returning the integer value. Similarly, double supplier, if you want to get the double value, then you will be using get as double and it will be returning the double value. For similarly for long and boolean also. So we have the for based on that primitive, we will be using the method actually. So for long, we will be having the get as long method, and it will be returning the long value. Boolean supplier is also having a abstract method which will be get as boolean, and it will be returning the boolean value. Okay, so when we have to use what? So if you want to work with objects, then you have to use this supplier. If you want to work with primitives like int, double, long, boolean, then you have to use this respected supplier interfaces. Every supplier interface will be having a single abstract method. In terms of int supplier, it is having a get as int method which is producing the int value. When it comes to the double supplier, we have get as double method, which will be producing the double value. Similarly for long and the boolean as well. I hope you understood about this supplier interface. In the next session, we will be learning, where we will be seeing an example on this supplier interface. Until then, thank you.